Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to see poll results on Snapchat. So to do that, open your Snapchat, then in here, tap your profile at the upper left corner, and then scroll down and click your picture with the poll questionnaire. So you can see now your poll questionnaire on Snapchat. So to see the result of this poll survey, scroll up and then you can see now the result. So in my sample picture, there is no result because nobody has viewed my snapshot yet. But that's how to see poll results on Snapchat. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.